Hi children, we are going to do a lovely little exercise for us to enjoy. What is it? Find the numerals. Okay? The numbers, names will be there. You read aloud and select what numeral will go there. And we are going to do the find the numeral from numbers 501 to 999. Read this. 999. 501 to 999. So we are going to learn to write the numeral reading the number's name. Good. Let's look at the board. A few exercises for us to practice how to write, identify and write the correct numeral. Let's read. The most important thing is reading correctly. Reading, understanding. And when you read, the spellings you should know. And then what now numeral will place in each of these boxes. Good. Now look. Let's read the first one. 511. What do you have here? 5. How many hundred? 500. 511. Now, when you write in the box the numeral, you must remember there should be 3 digits. The first one is here, you have 100. 5 in the 100 place, you have 11 here. 1 in the tens and 1 in the ones place. When you read itself, you will be able to identify the numeral correctly. 511. So all you need to write 511. 5 and 11. That's it. Read 511. 511. Are you enjoying the exercise? Good. Now, take the second one. 500. 500. How many? 100? 5. 35. I told you 3-digit numbers. 535. 5 in the 100 place, 3 in the tens, and 5 in the ones place. 535. 535. That's it. So we'll write in the 100 place 530. That is in the tens place, and 5 in the ones place. 535. When you read itself, you know the numeral correctly. You see that? It's a beautiful exercise. 535. 535. Yes? Good. Let's take the next one. They're all 3-digit numbers. Ones, 10, 100 place. 500. 582. 5 in the 100 place, 8 in the tens place, and 2 in the ones place. 582. Very easily we can find the numeral. 582. So we write here 582. 582. Yes, 582. Let's take the next one. 599. You have 5 in the 100 place, 9 in the tens place, and 9 in the ones place. 599. 599. 3-digit number. 5 in the 100 place, 9 in the tens place, and 9 in the ones place. Read 599. 599. Very interesting, isn't it? Let's take this one now. 566. 566. There is 6 in the ones place, 6 in the tens place, and 5 in the 100 place. 6 in the ones place, 6 in the tens place, and 5 in the 100 place. 566. 566. 566. Isn't it interesting? Did you enjoy the exercise? Good. Let's take another. Good. See what you have here. You are learning to put the correct numeral after reading the number's name. Good. 600 15. 615. How many hundred? 6. In the hundred place, you have 6. Then you have 15. 1 and 5. 15, that is 5 in the 1 place. 1 in the 10th place. You have 6, 1, 5. That's how we write it. 6, 1 and 5. 615. 615. 6 in the 100 place, 1 in the 10th place, and 5 in the 1 place. Isn't it easy? Good. Let's take the next one. 645. 600. 6 in the 100 place. Then you have 45. 45 is 4 in the 10th place, 5 in the 1st place. 6, 4, 5. That's what we got here. 645. 600 in the 100 place, 6 in the 100 place, 4 in the 10th, and 5 in the 1st place. 645. Good. Next. 609. You have 600. 6 in the 100 place. You have 9 here, which is the 1. And in the 10th place, you don't have anything. So you have 609. Yes? 609. 609. Single digit. You have 9 in the 1st place, 6 in the 100, and you don't have any number 0 in the 10th place. 609. Are you enjoying the exercise? Look. Next. Read it with me. 678. 600. How many hundred? 6. In the 100 place, you have 6. 78. 10th place, 7. 1st place, 8. 6, 7, 8. 678. Did you enjoy? Good. 678. 678. Always remember ones, 10, 100. Then you will place all the numbers correctly. Okay? Let's go on. Read the last one. We are learning to read. We are also learning to pick the correct numeral for the number name. 667. 600. In the 100 place, what is the number you're going to put? 6. Good. 67. 10th place, 6. 1st place, 7. Good. So you have 6, 6, 7. 667. Read the numeral. 667. Read the name. 667. We learn to read and pick the correct, place the correct numeral in the boxes. Did you enjoy? Let's take another exercise. Here we are. Let's read together. 778. Read it again. 778. What do you have here? 78. What is 78? 7 in the 10th place, 8 in the 1st place. And in the 100th place, 7. So you have 7, 7, 8. 778. Read the numeral. 778. Good. Let's take the next one. 721. 700. What's the number in the 100th place? 7. Next you have 21. 2 in the 10th place, 1 in the 1st place. 7, 2, 1. 721. Good. Let's take the next one. 745. In the 100th place, you have 7. 45. 4 in the ones and 4 in the tens and 5 in the ones place. 7, 4, 5. 745. So you have 745. 745. Good. Let's take the next and number name. Read it aloud. 711. 11. 11 means 110, 1. And in the hundred place, 7. 711. 711. Yes? Finally, the last one. 730. 30 means 0 in the 1th place, 3 in the 10th place, and in the 100th place, 7. 730. So you have 730. 730. 730. You learn to read the number name and place the correct numeral in the box. Did you enjoy the exercise? Good. Let's take another exercise. Good. Here we are. 800. How many hundreds here? 8. 844. 8 in the 100th place. 44. 4 in the 10th place. And 4 in the 1st place. You have 844. So you have 1st place 4, 10th place 4, and in the 100th place 8. So you have 844. 844. Good. Did you enjoy? Look. 855. Read again. 855. 8 in the 100th place, 5 in the 10th place, 5 in the 1st place. 855. So we write it in the box. 855. So we write 855. Good. 8 in the 100th place, 5 in the 10s, and 5 in the 1s too. 855. 855. Good. Next. 898. In the 100th place, 8. Then you have 98. 9 in the 10th place, 8 in the 1st place. So you have 898. 898. 898. 898. Good. Let's look at the next one. 801. 801. 8 in the 100th place, 1 in the 1st place, 0 in the 10th place. 801. So you get 801. That is the numeral. So 801. So we write in the box 801. That is 801. Did you enjoy? Good. Next, 899. 899. 8 in the 100th place and 9 in the 10s and 9 in the 1s because 99. So we write the numeral as 899. 899. 899. We learn to read the number name and place the correct numeral in the box. Did you enjoy the exercise? Let's go on to another exercise. Look what you have. Let's read together. 905. 905. 5 in the 1's place. 8 in the 9 in the 100th place. So 9 in the 100th place, 5 in the 1st place, 0 in the 10th place. So we write 905. 905. Yes? Good. Let's read the next one. 975. 75 means 7 in the 10th place, 5 in the 1st place, and then you have 9 in the 100th place. So 975. 975. We write the numeral as 975. 975. Did you enjoy? Good. Next, 944. 44 means 4 in the ones place, 4 in the tens place, and 9 in the hundred place. 9, 4, 4. 944. 944. Good. Let's read the next one. 986. 900. 9 in the hundred place. 86. 8 in the tens place and 6 in the ones place. 986. So we write it here and we read it as 986. Next, 999. 999. When you say 99, 9 in the ones place, 9 in the tens place, and here 900, 9 in the hundred place. So you write 999, 999. So we have 3 nines here, 999, 999. Good. So we learned to read the number name, place the correct numeral in each of the boxes. Did you enjoy the exercise? Good.